what are you doing at the moment?
Ready to give it a go, I suppose.
What, the firmware?
Oh, I've done the firmware. I've done the firmware. I didn't do the latest version because it wouldn't be the latest version, so I've gone one down from that.
Okay, so you're going to have a look at the E-steps, yeah? Cool. Is that easy print? Oh yeah, easy print.
I'll use the other one if you want. Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter, I can do it from the print, won't we?
Yeah, I don't know whether it might be worth turning the print off and on again, because I haven't actually...
Let's just, well, you need to store the echo settings. Which computer are you using? That one, down there. Brief explanation, one's running the server, one's running the host. That's it, yeah, that one. Well, I did accidentally delete it all. Oh, it's there.
Oh, I just didn't need the first bit, don't I?
It will send it through as two separate lines.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
It should do. Okay. It's not going to... You're going to have to cut it again, aren't you? Copy it again. Because you would have had to have done anyway. The only thing I don't like about this one is you don't get any feedback from the command lines.
No.
And that's why I like the Repetio, because at least it tells you that it's been stored.
Mm.
But it should tell you that in the server. Or you know you'll be disconnected from it, wouldn't you? Because you're connected to this.
What should I do? Can I move it?
Try and extrude some. I'll move it up a little bit first. Yeah, move it up because it's
Plus? Is that Z plus?
Z. Yeah, I would have thought so. Yeah, that's it. A bit more. Just because when you're doing the E-steps, you're going to need room for it to extrude a load. So move it up to about halfway.
Stop moving?
Yeah, stop moving. Go and again. And again. It's only moving like 1 centimetre at a time, isn't it?
Right.
Yeah, that's probably okay. That's probably okay. I need to set the temperature on here. Oops, on here. It's got a solidified filament on the bottom of it because when you've done the firmware, all the temperatures reset. So took down to control, temperature, nozzle. Two, four, 5. Don't need the bed on currently, do we? Or the fan. So we'll leave that. Auto temp off. And then that's okay. So that should be okay. Let's see what it says for the E-steps now then, whether it changed or not, because it was on 600 or something, wasn't it? Z steps, E steps, yeah, it's still on what you had it on. 6.60, 600.1. Pain in it going up and down. I think there'd be a quick way of doing it. It's going to time out anyway, isn't it? Before we do it, it's got to mark it first. Or should we just see what it looks like?
You put your hand on the thing and then...
Well, it's got to heat up first anyway.
Oh.
It's going to say cold extrusion. Have you turned the extruder on there? Is it heating up? It's not on. Look, you've got to switch that switch to turn it on. The bed's all set to 0 anyway, so it doesn't really matter. No, it is heating up because this was solidified on the bottom a minute ago, and Ow, now it's not. Now it's a bit hot. Probably not. The wisest thing is to stick my finger in it. Okay, so. There for a second. So I've marked on there 150 and 100. And the mark is at the bottom of the mark is where the measurement is, supposedly. See, bottom of the mark is where the measurement is. Oh, there you go. It's on the ruler as well now. 208. Oh, why is it saying 208 or 207 when I set it to 245? What's that set on there?
207.
Do you want to put it up to 245 then?
I won't let me.
Oh. Sometimes it lets you go up one at a time, doesn't it, as it starts to warm up like that. All day. Ah.
Okay, pretty good.
Nearly there. I do prefer a pettier to this, I really do. Right, 245. No, it's just on there, 246.
Goes on there too.
So?
Goes on the screen too.
Oh, well, I suppose at least they're communicating between each other. Focus. Anyway. Going 100, yeah? Or should we start with 50?
50. That's good.
Oh.
Try doing 100 and see how short you are. No, it's turned out.
That's okay. Do you mean add another 50 or do a whole 100?
No, I mean you've done 50 and then do another 50. How much is left?
That's 50 and that's 100.
Right, so what's the gap between that and that? So
Nearly bang on 1 centimetre actually. Yeah. 9 mil. It just dried on the blooming thing, I didn't even mark it. Right, I've put 100 mark on there, in theory it should be 5 above the other mark. No, it's not, it's miles away, it's about a centimetre out. It might be my measurements, it might not be a centimetre out, it might just be my measurements.
No, because you did it from the bottom, you're supposed to be on top of it.
Oh yeah, of course, yeah, that makes sense now. Yeah, that works out, doesn't it? That makes sense. Good thinking of that, man. That's good, because usually I'll go over.
So what's that distance then?
That's massive, isn't it?
Yeah, well, what is that distance?
About 2 centimetres, which would work out, that would be about right though, wouldn't it? If it's if it's missing 1 centimetre per 50 mil, just under, it's not, it's one, about 15 mil. Yeah. So, 7.5 millimetres. Is BB alive? Is she breathing?
Yeah.
Jeez, I panicked then, I couldn't see her moving.
So it's 15, is it?
Yeah, 15.
Okay, so 15, so that's 85.5. So whatever that number is, you've got to divide it by 0.85. So whatever that number, what was the number, 600? Was
It's
it?
60600.1. I can get the number up for you. It's not a problem. Calibration. Where's the bottom? E steps, right. Oh, it says plus 0600.1.
Okay, on my calculations it should be 705.8.
What, 0705?
Yeah, 0705.8.
But that's making it higher.
Yeah, the higher the number, the more it's...
I suppose it's changed because of the, must have changed because of the firmware. 07, it's never done it, didn't this?
Well,
What did you say it was? 07?
0705.8.
0705.8.
I
Right.
reckon that was too much now, I'll just do it.
Oh, shall we just see what it does? Let's just what, the extruder?
Or you can start...
You don't need to set 0, you just need to know what number. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a new mark on here now. So, mark out 10 again. Right, ooh. Marked out. I've got black filament, so you have to use Geeetech on it because nothing else works. So, I've got... my camera changed. There's our 10 mark. I'm going to ignore the other ones. So, prepare. Move axis. Move 1 mil. Extruder. 200. And it's gone. It swallowed it. Swallowed it. But it swallowed the mark. But I don't think it swallowed it by that much. I can see the mark in there, so I reckon it's only about 2 mil out now. 3 mil over.
Okay, so 3 mil.
Yeah, work that one out.
If you say it's 3 mil, I can work that out. So 3.
Well, have a look. Look, if I lift this thing up here, in theory, you should be able to see the mark. It should be in here. Should be just inside this bit. 20 years later. There, see?
Okay.
So,
What do you reckon? 3?
well, the distance between... I reckon it's 3 mil. The distance between that and the top of there is about 3 mil, isn't it?
Okay, so...
I'd have thought it would have been a division.
Yeah, it's 6, 7, 8.
Okay, right, okay. So, I'll just finish screwing that back in again. Yeah, I reckon it's no, it's no more than 3 mil. Well, no, between 2 and 3 mil. Okay. So we'd say 6, 7, 8.
Yeah.
No points to it. No. I've got it. I've got it. 0, 6, 7, 8. There you go. Okay, right. Okay, so. No. Yeah, I know. I'm just going to get it back to the main screen first because it will time out anyway. Right, okay. Geeetech seems to be a bit dry. I couldn't even get it to market a minute ago. Right. Quite stinks actually, that absolutely stinks. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's what happens now. To be swallowed or not to be swallowed? Oh!
You see, that's weird.
What the
I think you should have turned it slower.
I don't think the speed you turn it makes any difference. And it shouldn't make any difference.
See, this is what I found. I found it did that.
Well, maybe the calculation wasn't right. That's why I put that other video on there, because it tells you what calculations
to use. That's about the
use.
same distance as before, yet the figure is different.
Yeah, it's not that much different though, is it?
Well, 600 to 678, yeah, it is quite a bit.
78 difference.
Yeah.
Well,